Do you want to live longer? Do you want to have a pain-free life when you are getting older? Well, then you should pay attention. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It can help you control your weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your mental health and mood. But what type of exercise is best, and how much do you need to do to see benefits? Here are 10 fitness tips that will change your life for the better. 1. Get moving. You don't have to join a gym or start running marathons to get fit. Any type of movement is better than none at all. Taking a brisk walk, riding a bike, or even doing household chores can increase your fitness level. 2. Set goals. Having specific goals to work towards will help you stay motivated. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve your endurance, setting measurable goals will help you track your progress and see results. 3. Find a workout buddy. A workout partner can provide motivation, support, and accountability. Find someone who has similar fitness goals, and schedule regular workouts together. 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for optimal health. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 5. Eat healthy. Eating healthy foods fuels your body, and helps you recover from workouts. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. 6. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining your energy levels, and avoiding dehydration. Aim to drink 8 to 10 cups of water per day. 7. Avoid injuries. Wearing proper footwear and using the proper form can help prevent injuries. If you do experience an injury, rest and ice the area to help reduce swelling. 8. Warm up and cool down. Warming up and cooling down helps your body prepare for and recover from exercise. A simple warm-up such as walking or jogging for 5 to 10 minutes followed by some light stretching can help prevent injuries and improve your performance. 9. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to exercising. Try to make physical activity part of your daily routine, and stick with it for the long run. 10. Have fun. Exercise should be something you enjoy, not something you dread. Find activities that you enjoy, and look forward to working out. Making even small changes in your physical activity level can have a big impact on your health. Try incorporating some of these fitness tips into your life, and see how they change your health for the better. Check out some excellent workout programs and simple home gym equipment in the description.